Hello students, I am going to continue the chapter Quadratic Equation of 10th Standard. Exercise 2.c, example number 3rd. So in the orchard of the Sri Madhusudan, the number of orange tree in each row is 5 more than the number of trees in each column. The total number of orange trees in the orchard is 150. Find the number of trees in each rows and each columns with the help of the following flowchart. So here you are given the flow chart like this one. First we're going to solve this example and then we will put the fill in the blanks. So here let me consider the number of trees in each column be x. So हर एक कॉलम में जो trees है वो हम x ऐसे consider करें. Then the number of trees in each rows. So since we are given that is there are 5 more than the number of trees, so it is x plus 5. So the total number of trees here we get that is x into x plus 5. The total number of trees is given that is 150. So from given condition we can write that is x into x plus 5 is equals to 150. We solve here the bracket, so x square plus 5x minus 150 is equals to 0. So x square we get the factors here, that is plus 15 and minus 10. So x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equals to 0. So x into bracket x plus 15 minus 10 into bracket x plus 15 is equals to 0. Since these two brackets are common, x plus 15 and in second bracket x minus 10 is equals to 0. So either see the product of two bracket is 0 means either first bracket is 0 or second one is 0. So x plus 15 is equals to 0 or x minus 10 is equals to 0. So here we get x is equals to minus 15 or x is equals to 10. But the number of trees cannot be negative, so x is equals to minus 15 is unacceptable. So here we get that is x is equals to 10. Here we consider that is x is equals to 10. And x plus 5, that is the number of trees in row. X plus 5 is equals to 10 plus 5, that is 15. And here then we have to fill the blanks. So the number of trees in each column is x. And the number of trees in each row, we already write this, that is x plus 5. Then the total number of trees is x into x plus 5. We already solved this here. Just we have to write down in the flow chart. Now see, the next part is frame a quadratic equation, that is x into x plus 5 is equals to 150. We already solved this, that is x into x plus 5 is equals to 150. Next, find the value of x. So we get the value of x as a 10. And how many trees in column, that is 10. We consider the number of trees in each column is x, and since the value of x is 10, the number of trees in column is 10 and number of trees in row is 50. Here we find it 10 and 50. Now the next example, that is Vivek is 5 years older than the Kishore. The sum of multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1 by 6. So find the ages, their present ages. So here we consider that the present age of Kishore is x and the present age of Vivek is x plus 5 because it is 5 years older than the Kishore. And the multiplicative inverse of their ages. So just we have to take the inverse of their ages. So x, what is the inverse of x? It is 1 by x. And the inverse of this one is 1 upon x plus 5. Now from the given condition, we are given that is the sum of their inverses. So we have to take the sum of this one and we are given it is 1 by 6. So we are taking the LCM, then taking cross, we get 2x plus 5 upon x square plus 5. We solve this one upon 1 by 6. Now take the cross multiplication, so we'll get x square plus 5x, and here also 6 2s are 12x and 6 5s are 30. Now move all the numbers to left side. So minus 12x and plus 5x, so we'll get here minus 7x. So here we get the quadratic equation x square minus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. Here we have to find out the factors of 30 whose subtraction is 7, that is 10 and 3. So x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equals to 0. So from this first two we take the common as x. So x minus 10 plus 3 into bracket x minus 10. x minus 10 is common. In second bracket x plus 3 is equals to 0, means either first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. So here x is equals to 10 or x is equals to minus 3. So since age cannot be negative, so x minus 3, x is equals to minus 3 is unacceptable. So the answer is x is equals to 10, and here we consider the second one, that is x plus 5, so it is equals to 15, means the age of Kishore is x, that is 10 years, and the age of Vivek, that is x plus 5, that is 15 years. Now the next example, that is example number 5. That is Suyash scored 10 marks more in the second unit test than that in the first unit test. 5 times the marks in the second unit test is equal to the square of the marks in the first unit test. So find his score in the first unit test. So see, let Suyash scored x marks in the first unit test. Then he scored x plus 10 marks in the second unit test. So you are given in your example. So 5 times the marks in the second unit test. So it is equals to 5 into bracket x plus 10. The square of the marks in the first unit test is equals to x square. So from the first condition, 5 into x plus 10, here see, is equals to x square. So x square is as it is, and then we write this on the right side. So multiply this bracket by 5, will get 5x plus 50. Now move all the numbers to the left side, so we'll get x square minus 5x minus 50 is equals to 0. Here we have to find out the factors of 50 whose subtraction is 5, so 10 5s are. So x into x minus 10 plus 5 into bracket x minus 10. X minus 10 is common, and x plus 5 in second bracket. So here x minus 10 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 10 or x is equals to minus 5. But the marks cannot be negative. So x minus 5, it is unacceptable. So here we get x is equals to 10. So Suyash scored 10 marks in the first unit test. Now see the next example, example number 6. That is Mr. Kasam run a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis, and production of cost of each pot is rupees 40, and it is more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, then find production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. Now see, let Kasam makes x earthen pots per day. So the cost of each earthen pot is equals to 10x plus 40 is equals to 10x plus 40 rupees. And from the given condition, x into 10x plus 40 is equals to 600. So we multiply this bracket by x, so we'll get 10x square plus 40x minus 600 is equals to 0. Now we have to divide both sides by 10. So we get x square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. Now here we have to find out the factors of 60 whose subtraction is 4. The factors are 10 and 6. So x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equals to 0. So make the group of 2. From first group we take the common x, that is x plus 10, and from the second group the common is 6. So in bracket we get x plus 10. Now both these brackets are common, x plus 10, x plus 10, and in second bracket we get x minus 6 is equals to 0. So since two brackets, the product of two bracket is 0, the first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0, so we'll get x is equals to minus 10 and x is equals to 6. Again the number of earthen pots cannot be negative, and so x is equals to minus 10 is unacceptable, and so the x is equals to 6. So the cost of each earthen pot we have to find out. It is 10x plus 40, the value of x is 6, here we find it. So 60 plus 40, the value is 100 rupees. Now see the example number 7. Pratik travels by boat 36 km downstream and back in 8 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour, find the speed of the water current. Now here we are given that is the speed of the boat in still water. See here, the speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour. And we have to consider that the speed of water current is x. So we don't know the speed of the water current, so we consider it as x. So the speed of the boat downstream is 12 plus x, since the speed of the boat in still water is 12, so we have to take the addition of these two, that is 12 plus x. And the speed of the boat in upstream is 12 minus x. यहाँ पे हम नीचे जा रहे हैं वो करंट के साथ, और यहाँ पे हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं करंट के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दैट इज 12 minus x. So from the given condition, so in condition we are given that is the Pratik travels by boat 36 kilometers. So here we are given the distance. So distance, that is 36 kilometer we are given, and after that we have to write down the distance upon. So here we use the formula of the speed, that is speed is equals to distance upon time. So 36 upon 12 plus x plus 36, बिकॉज ये जो बोट है वो 36 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम भी जा रही है और अपस्ट्रीम भी जा रही है, और ये पूरा करने के लिए उसको 8 आवर्स लगते हैं. सो 36 अपॉन 12 प्लस एक्स प्लस 36 अपॉन 12 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 8. नाउ द एलसीएम इज 12 प्लस एक्स इंटू 12 माइनस एक्स. टेकिंग क्रॉस, here we get. Now we move this quantity to this side and we take the common, that is 36 is common. So 12 minus x plus 12 plus x here. 8 here, 12 plus x and 12 minus x. So 36, this x will get cancelled. 12 plus 12 will get 24. 12 square, since we see the formula of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. 12 square is 144 minus x square. So here we move this, that is 8 3s are 24. So 36 3s are 108. So here we get the 108 is equals to 144 minus x square, and so x square is equals to 144 minus 108. So here we get x square is equals to 36. So x is equals to plus minus 6. But the speed of the boat cannot be negative, so it is unacceptable, and so the answer is x is equals to 6. So the speed of the water current is 6 km per hour. Now see the example number 8. So Pintu takes 6 days more to complete a certain work than Nishu. Together they finish the work in 4 days. So how many days would each take to complete that work if they work alone? So here we consider that the Nishu takes x days to complete that work, and Pintu takes that 6 days more than Nishu. So here we write x plus 6 days to complete the same work. So in one day Nishu does 1 upon x. So since she takes x days, so in one day she will complete 1 upon x part of the work, and Pintu does 1 upon x plus 6 days. So 1 upon x plus 6 part of this work in one day she will. So together means both, that is Nishu and Pintu together do, that is the addition of these two work, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 part of the work. So here we solve this, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6. The LCM is x into x plus 6. Taking cross, we will get here 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x. So the total number of days taken by them together to complete the work is, just we take the inverse, that is x square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6. So from the given condition we get, that is x square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6 is equals to 4. We are given that is they together finish the work in 4 days. So here we write here 4. Now taking the cross, that is x square plus 6x is equals to 4 into bracket 2x plus 6. Now solve this, x square plus 6x, here 8 4 2s are 8x plus 24 move all the numbers to one side. So x square minus 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. We have to find out the factors of 24 whose subtraction is 2. 6 fours are, so here we write that is x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equals to 0. Take common from this first group, that is x. So here we get x into x minus 6, and the common one is 4, so in bracket x minus 6 is equals to 0. So x minus 6 is common, and the next bracket x plus 4 is equals to 0. So again the product of the two bracket is 0, so either first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. So here we get x is equals to 6 or x is equals to minus 4. But number of days, here x is equals to minus 4 is unacceptable, since the number of days cannot be negative, so x is equals to minus 4 is unacceptable, and so x is equals to 6. So here we consider that is x and x plus 6. See here, yes, here x and x plus 6. So the value of x is 6, and x plus 6, that is 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. So Nishu takes 6 days to complete the work, and Pintu takes 12 days to complete the same work. Now the question number 9. So if 460 is divided by the natural number, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, and the remainder is 1. So find the quotient and the divisor. So let the divisor is x. So the quotient is 5x plus 6, since we are given that is the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. So 5x plus 6. So you know the formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So you are given the dividend is 460, divisor we consider it as x, quotient is 5x plus 6, and the remainder is 1. You are given. Now open this 460, open the bracket, 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Now move all, just move this 460 to this side. 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equals to 0. So 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. Now see, we have to take the product of these two, that is 459 into 5. 459 into 5, we get here 2295. So here we have to find out the factors of 2295 whose subtraction is 6. So the factors are 45 and 51. So x square, here we have to consider the sign, that is minus, and this one is plus. So x square minus 45, x plus 51, x minus 459 is equals to 0. So in this example it is the exceptional case, because if we write the 51 in इस जगह पे अगर हम 51 लिखते हैं तो यहाँ पे कोई कॉमन नहीं आएगा. सो हमने 45 पहले लिखा है और बाद में हमने 51 लिखा है, बिकॉज 51 के टेबल में ही अब हमें ये नंबर मिल सकता है और यहाँ पर भी हमें कॉमन मिल सकता है. सो 5x इज कॉमन, हियर वी गेट x minus 9 plus 51 is common, again here we get x minus 9. So it is the adjustment for the example. So x minus 9 is common here, and the remaining is 5x plus 51 is equals to 0. So either x minus 9 is equals to 0 or 5x plus 51 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 9 or 5x is equals to minus 51. So x is equals to 9 or x is equals to minus 51 upon 5. But minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number, so it is unacceptable. And so the answer is x is equals to 9. So here we consider the x as a divisor. So here we get x is equals to 9, and the quotient is 5x plus 6. So here we find 5x plus 6 is equals to 5 into 9 plus 6. Here we get the answer 51. And so the answer, that is quotient is 51 and the divisor is 9. And the last example from this chapter, that is, in the given trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and its area is 33 centimeters square. Find the length of its four sides from the information given in the figure. Fill the boxes to get the solution. Now see, what you are given in the example. See, it is a trapezium. You are given this height is x minus 4, and these two sides, that is AB and BC, are congruent and they are x minus 2. The length of DC you are given, that is 2x plus 1, and the length of AB is x. So quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD. So we have used the formula for the trapezium. So quadrilateral ABCD is equals to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. So you know the formula, that is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So the parallel sides are AB plus CD and the height is AM. Wherever I draw these brackets, so these are the fill in the blanks. So you are given, that is the ABCD area is 33, half, then the AB, that is x, and the CD we are given, that is 2x plus 1, and AM, that is x minus 4. All these numbers we are given in your figure. So substituting the given values, just we move this 2 to this side, so we will get 66 is equals to 2 plus x, that is 3x plus 1, and x minus 4 is as it is. Now take the product of these two brackets, so we will get here 3x square. Solving this we get, that is 3x square plus minus 11x minus 70 is equals to 0. So here by solving this we get this one. Yes, I am going to solve this. Yes, now see how we get this one. Just I write this in a simple way, that is in first bracket 3x plus 1 and in second bracket x minus 4, which is equals to 66. And here I solve this. So 3x square, just I am taking the product of this one, minus 12x plus x minus 4 is equals to 66. So 3x square, the answer of this one is minus 11x, minus 4 minus 66 is nothing but the 70. And we put this value in here in the brackets. So we have to find out the factors of 70, who's not 70, 70 into 3, that is 210, 210, such that the subtraction is 11. So we get the factor, that is 21 and 10. So 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equals to 0. Again we take the common, that is 3x from these two groups, and from this group we take the common, that is 10, in bracket we will get x minus 7 is equals to 0. So again x minus 7 is common, in second bracket we get 3x plus 10 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 7 or 3x is equals to minus 10. So x is equals to minus 10 by 3, but the length cannot be negative, so it is unacceptable, and so x is equals to 7. So this is all about the chapter quadratic equation. Thank you.